All of us ultimately want to become CLAT toppers, and here is a truth about all the toppers that have become toppers in past. All of them were CLAT aspirants like you at one point in time. They just followed certain right ways to prepare for this exam that changed their destiny from a CLAT aspirant to a CLAT topper. Let's identify those things that I have seen CLAT toppers doing consistently that has helped them churn outstanding results over a period of time. इनमें से बहुत से CLAT toppers ऐसे रहे हैं who have worked outside the odds because nobody, even their educators, had not expected them कि ये इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे एग्जाम में, but they were able to do that because उन्होंने कुछ चीजें बहुत ही ठीक की थी. अगर आप इन सारी चीजों को इनकलकेट कर लोगे ना अपनी प्रेपरेशन में, डेफिनेटली एक्सपेक्ट अ वेरी गुड रैंक. जैसा भी प्रेपरेशन जाए, एंड तक अगर लगे रहोगे, यू विल नो दैट देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स यू नीड टू मैनेज, व्हिच आई विल डिस्कस इन दिस सेशन. और अगर आप मैनेज कर पाते हो, if you can get out of that shell that you have created or a bubble you have created around you, I am 100% sure this could be your year. Let's understand what these techniques and what those habits are. So all of us at least understand this, that these last 2 months are going to be make or break months. You can be a 40 student, you can be a 16 mark student, you can be an 80 or 90 also. If you do not apply yourself in the last 1 month, you are screwed. You have to apply yourself really properly because that is what it requires. Now when it comes to toppers, when they were aspirants, उनको last 2 महीने के जो aspects थे ना, वो बहुत clear थे as to how do they want to start from now, how are they going to complete the syllabus, what is going to be the revision strategy, how are they going to do things. हम लोग पता है क्या करते हैं, हम बात ज्यादा करते हैं और हम काम कम करते हैं. Most of you probably would have current affairs के backlogs. सब लोग इस बात से बहुत चिंतित हैं. Everybody is quite upset as to how will I do it right now. Can you not start current affairs now? Take a month, give it 5 days and complete at least 10-12 months going forward. आराम से कर सकते हो, लेकिन हमको रोने में ज्यादा मजा आता है, हमको अपनी बात को लोगों को बताने में ज्यादा मजा आता है. Start doing, stop talking to people. One very important quality that these CLAT toppers show every single years. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. बहुत बार ऐसे होते हैं कोचिंग में, हम इतने सारे बच्चे एक साथ क्लास में, you could say we do the classes, हमें पता ही नहीं चला बच्चा कहाँ था. वो कहीं नहीं था, वो क्लासेस भी कर रहा था, वो सब कुछ कर रहा था, but that person knew that these unnecessary conversations is not relevant for me, and that person just stuck to the goal, that is cracking CLAT. Second very important thing for all of you to keep in mind is whoever becomes a CLAT topper, these people are mentality monsters. What does mentality monster mean? We overthink a lot. We think वो हमसे better कर रहा है, ये अच्छा कर रहा है, वो अच्छा कर रहा है. These people also have these sort of self-doubts and overthinking aspects of the preparation, but इनको ये भी पता होता है कि वो अच्छा कर रहा है तो that person can do well in the exam, but that does not take away anything from me. I can also do well in the exam. कोई 1 या 4 या 10 या 12 या 20 सीटें नहीं हैं. There are multiple seats in every law school and I can also book one for myself if I apply myself till the end. I have seen so many people start in the last month, 1.5 months also and crack this because they are mentality monsters. They come into the preparation with this sort of an understanding that I have nothing to lose. Let me go and give it a great shot and let's see how it works out. If it works out, great. If it doesn't work out, I'll figure out something for myself. लेकिन अगर हम बहुत प्रेशर लेकर काम करते हैं ना, we overthink कि कैसे होगा, नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, what if I do not get NLS, what if I don't make it to NALSAR. That is where the real problem starts. We need to figure that out, work that out and start working in that aspect also. कि we need to be mentality monsters, all of it. I wake up every day in the morning, I create a schedule, I follow it religiously and I only prepare for one day at a time. I do not think about the next day also. That is how you do your exam, that is how you go about it. Third very important thing to keep in mind is that these people were very consistent in the preparation. At least in the last 1.5 month, when you reach the last part of the preparation, यहाँ पर consistent रहना सबसे ज़्यादा difficult होता है because आप track lose अगर कर जाओगे तो वापस पकड़ने का time नहीं है preparation को. तो these people realized अब तो थोड़े दिनों की ही बात है, अब तो we are very close to the preparation. So rather than getting back, they actually go ahead, they actually discuss things with their mentors and that is how they're able to succeed because they ask a lot of questions जो शायद एक CLAT के जानने वाले इंसान को, probably because I know about CLAT, your question is not making sense to me, but they ask those difficult and sometimes stupid questions also that ultimately gives them clarity of thought on what needs to be done and what needs to be avoided. This brings me to my fourth point. You need to have the right mentors to do that. most of the CLAT coaching that I teach you, with all due respect to them, they do not have people who have themselves cracked CLAT. At 12 minutes to CLAT, we provide you that sort of educators also, जिनके खुद के CLAT clear हुए हैं. They have themselves gone to some of the top national universities, not just with respect to the concept, वो strategically, mentally, in every sense of the word. They can help you strategize your preparation, the last few months of the preparation, and ensure कि आपके बीच जो छोटा सा NLU का फासला बच गया है ना, जहां पर आप खुद को improve नहीं कर पा रहे हो, that is also taken care of. I'm myself from NLU Jodhpur, and we have recently started a new crash course called Sankalp. You can always become a part of this, which is going to give you complete guidance, obviously with respect to concepts and practice, but that strategic aspect of it, which is so important right now. We are certainly going to give you that and ensure that you have it in you to crack it, and we will 100% ensure कि आप उसको अच्छे से कर पाओ और हर रोज उसको अप्लाई कर पाओ, so that you can get the best out of your potential for this particular exam. You can contact us on these numbers. You can always visit 12minutes2clat.com. You can visit our website and the app as well. Download कर लो app को. You'll also be eligible for something called the Shakuntala Scholarship, which gives you an incentive if you get an all-India rank under 300. पूरी फीस वापस, not a single penny we want out of you. Take all of it back. And the last very important thing that these CLAT toppers keep doing over a period of time is they know their limitations. They know what needs to be done, what is not needed to be done. They are not a part of any noise. कोई XYZ लड़का बोल रहा है कि यार 6 महीने का ही करंट अफेयर कर लो, बाकी छोड़ दो. वो खुद भी CLAT एस्पिरेंट है, उसकी बात क्यों माननी है? So these people know how to cut the noise, how to concentrate on things that would really help them and ultimately churn out results year after year. If you also want to become a CLAT topper, these are going to be certain 5 aspects that you must follow and ensure that the dream NLU is genuinely waiting for you. All the best, guys.